this video, I'll demonstrate how to import a gINT database into Leapfrog Works. gINT is a common database for geotechnical and geoenvironmental data. We'll start by looking at how to import a gINT database into Leapfrog Works. Then show the functionality of the import wizard when importing a gINT database. I'll start it out with a new project. gINT databases are a supported file format when selecting import boreholes via ODBC. gINT project files are also supported for later appending or reloading of borehole data. Right-click on the borehole data folder and select Import Boreholes via ODBC. In the Select ODBC data source window that appears, click the Database Files radio button. This will prompt you to select your gINT database. You may receive a message prompting you to install the 64-bit version of Access Runtime. To do so, use the link to download and install. Once installed, reopen Leapfrog Works to complete the import. After selecting the database, you will come to the Standard Table Selection dialog. Pre-selected tables are based on Bentley gINT sample tables as indicative of gINT best practice. However, you have the flexibility to deviate from these templates to suit your organization's needs. Select the tables you wish to import. Pressing OK brings up the regular wizard view for identifying the columns to build the associated tables in the borehole database. As with table selection, the columns for import are pre-selected based on Bentley gINT best practice for naming conventions. However, these may be different for a given gINT file. A reminder: when initially importing borehole data, less is best. It's easy to add columns later, but once a column is added, it cannot be removed. When you append new data later, it will need to contain the exact same columns. Click OK on the borehole wizard and the boreholes are populated in the project tree.